sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mamu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mamu, all the way from Texas, and we're thinking about you.
Yes, happy, happy birthday, Mamu. Wish you a good health and happiness and long life, of course. And celebrate your special birthday.
Your 70th birthday, I can't
Your
believe.
70th
Wow,
birthday.
70 years old. I wish
Yes.
I was 70 again.
Anyway, I have to go, Mamu. I'm wearing my uniform. I need to go to work tonight. So anyway, we just want to let you know that we miss you
We love you.
and we love you. So happy, happy birthday again.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate! Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko po good health and be happy lagi po and enjoy your day. Sana po sa susunod ko pagbabakasyon, magkita-kita ulit tayo at mas marami tayong tiyempong mag-usap. I love you and miss you. Kinayan family.
Happy birthday, Mamo.
Birthday, Mamo.
Have a good health and enjoy. Keep counting. God bless.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mamu.
Happy birthday, Mamo!
We love you. Thank you, Mamu, for being so kind and generous to us. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday! More birthday to come. Baby, happy birthday!
Hello, Mamu. Happy 70th birthday.
Hi, Tita. Happy 70th. You've been our guide in our inspiration and the hearts of our family. Today, as we celebrate not just your years, but the love and light that you have shared with all of us, wishing you an endless happiness and health, Tita. I love you and I miss you, Tita, really. Sarangyo, Tita. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Miss you, love you. Stay strong, beautiful. At thank you po sa mga advices mo sa akin noon na kapag pupunta ko dyan kasama si Ate V. Monday, magkita-kits pa tayo. Stay strong in facing challenges. See you soon. Amen.
Hello, Lola Beth. Ako na in. I'm Angel na po. I'm grown up na po. We miss you po and when we come back po, we'll visit you po. And happy birthday po. God bless you.
Can you do it for me? Happy birthday, Lola Beth. Come on. Happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday, Lola Beth. Come on. It's already there. Yeah. Happy birthday, Lola Beth. Mayain si Amba. God bless you, Lola. Come on. Miss you. Come on. That's... Hi, Lola Beth. Tell her name. I'm Emba. God bless you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mamu!
Hi,
Mamo. Happy
birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. We miss you. I love you.
Hi, Mamu! Happy birthday!
Hi,
Wish you the best
Mamu.
day.
Happy,
Love you. God
happy
bless.
birthday. We love you. We miss you. We wish you more birthdays to come. We miss you.
Hello, Mamu. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I wish that you are happy today and wishing you more birthdays to come. We love you and we miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Mamu. We love you. We miss you. Have the best birthday.
To the most energetic 70-year-old I know, happy birthday, Auntie Beth. Your zest for life, especially in Zumba and on your adventures, is truly inspiring. Cheers to many more and happy birthday.
Hello, Mamu. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 70th birthday. Wish ko you have more candles to blow and good health always. God bless. Love you. Mwah.
Sa isa sa pinakamatapang ngunit mabait na single mom na kilala ko, happy 70th birthday, Tita Beth! Please know that I'm very proud of you, especially for raising 6 amazing professional children. Stay young, Tita Beth, and huwag kalimutan ng love life.
Happy birthday sa pinakamagandang ilaw ng tahanan na nagse-celebrate ng birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday, Auntie Beth. Mahal na mahal.
Happy birthday, Auntie Isabel. Wish you good health always. Naway, bigyan pa ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Mamu. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Keep healthy and happy. So, see you soon. Again, maligayang karawan.
Happy birthday po. Wishing you a blessed and healthy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mamu. Happy birthday.
Go.
I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday. Ang galing-galing mo po talaga.
Hello, Mamu. Happy 70th birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mamu.
كل عام وانتم بخير. نسأل الله أن يعني يكون عام سعيد عليكم. Happy birthday to you. وفروم سعودي أرابيا من المملكة العربية السعودية نحييك.
सालगिरह
كل سنة وانتم
मामू
طيب.
आपको सालगिरह बहुत ज़्यादा मुबारक हो मेरी तरफ से, पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, मेरी फैमिली की तरफ से. अल्लाह आप पे रहमत और आपको ढेरों.
Hello, السلام عليكم. كل عام وانتم بخير. كل سنة وانتم طيبة. What to say? What? I don't have it. Hello, السلام عليكم. How are you? كل عام وانتم بخير. كل سنة وانتم طيبة.
Happy 70th birthday, Mamu. Stay healthy and I miss you so much. Mwah.
Mamu, it's a great from India. Happy birthday, Mamu.
أتمنى لك عيد سعيد وكل سنة وأنت بخير، وإن شاء الله بتضلك بصحتك وأيام حلوة لقدام.
Hello, Mamu. Happy birthday. Stay healthy.
Happy
blessed
70th birthday, Auntie Beth. Enjoy your special day. May God grant you your heart.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko po good health and be happy lagi po and enjoy your day. Sana po sa susunod ko pagbabakasyon, magkita-kita ulit tayo at mas marami tayong tiyempong mag-usap. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ipag! Kumusta ka dyan? Berindihan niyo sarili mo.
Happy birthday,
Enjoy ka
Mama.
lang. Bye-bye.
Thankful ko pa sa Panginoon kasi biniyayaan niya ako ng lola na katulad niyo. And sobrang happy ko po kasi nakikita ko na ina-enjoy niyo po yung life niyo ngayon and you deserve it po. Wish ko po na sana bigyan pa kayo ni Papa God ng marami po pong birthday and of course, blessings and iwasan na po natin yung stress. I-remove na natin yung mga negative vibes. I love you, Lola. I miss you.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Nasa iyo naman na lahat. Ang hangad ko na lang sa iyo yung good health and enjoy yourself to the fullest.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. You're kind, generous, and an amazing person. Hope you and Lola create more beautiful memories together. May our family be filled with love.
So ayan, happy 70th birthday, Tita Mamu. And wala na akong masabi kasi you know naman about everything. So I just want to thank you for everything, for the love and respect. At thank you din kasi andyan ka laging nag-advise sa akin pag may problema ako, gano'n. And I wish na And I pray that you're blessed, more blessings to come. At saka, and I pray also na marami pang taon ang bibigay sa'yo para magkaroon din tayo ng reunion sooner kung makapag-ipon ako para makauwi din. And yun lang. And salamat din dahil kahit anong nangyayari sa mga family natin, andyan ka pa rin na umiintindi sa amin. Thank you for your may speechless ako. Medyo mahina lang yung boses kasi nagla-lunch kami dito sa Listo. Kasama ko si Hadi. Charis. So ayan, happy birthday again and enjoy your birthday.
Mamu, happy birthday. Hi Mamu, happy birthday. Wish you a day filled with joy, love, and happiness. May all your wishes come true.
Wish you a good health and more birthday to come, Mamu.
Hello mo. Good evening. Happy 70th birthday sa iyo. Enjoy your birthday. Iwas stress. Huwag mong stressin ang sarili mo. Sa ganun humaba at hahaba ang buhay. Ingatan mo yung sarili lagi. Nang sa ganun hindi ka magkakasakit. Dito kami nagmamahal sa iyo. At mamahalin ka namin habang kami ay nabubuhay. At sana iwasan mo na yung mga stress dyan na hindi naman maganda para sa iyo. Enjoy life. Chill lang. Kung ano man ang ikinasaya mo na ginagawa mo sa ngayon, tuloy mo lang yan. Basta mag-iingat ka lagi. Go lang. Dito kami nakasuporta sa iyo. Basta kung saan ka masaya, doon din kami masaya. Muli, happy 70th birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hi, Tita! It's a wonderful day today and so amazing. It's your 70th birthday. I just want to say happy birthday. Thank you for everything what you did in our family. Enjoy this moment. I love you.
Surprise! Good morning to each and everyone. Congratulations, Auntie Isabel, on your Platinum Jubilee. This symbolizes your strength, endurance, and value of reaching this significant milestone. Turning 70 means 7 decades of being awesome. So cheers on your 70th of wisdom, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Wishing you nothing but joy and happiness today and always.
Hello! Good afternoon, Mamu! Happy 70th birthday on November 5. I wish you all the best, good health, stay strong, always happy, and many more birthdays to come. Love you, Mamu! Sa isang anak mo dito sa Hong Kong.
Hi,
bye-bye! Love you!
Happy 70th birthday to you. I wish you all the best sa buhay mo. Siyempre laging good health, strong mind and body. Always be a pillar of light and upang sa ibang tao. Sana ma-enjoy mo. Have a blast on your birthday. And yun lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I love you. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Mwah. Happy birthday, Mamu. I love you. I miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mamu.
Enjoy your birthday po and sana po ay magkaroon pa po kayo ng maraming blessing and mahal po namin kayo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I love you so much. I wish you more birthdays to come. Continue to be a helping hand sa mga tao na nakakasalumuha mo, and especially stay healthy always and be guided and protected sa mga gawain mo po palagi, and more travels to come. I love you and I miss you. And
Hi,
once again,
Mang.
happy birthday.
70th birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng love at sacrifices mo para sa amin. Stay happy and healthy.
Happy birthday,
I love you,
Mamu.
Mom.
God bless and love you. Happy birthday, Mamu. Wish you all the happiness. God bless always and more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday mo. Love you. Tapos na.
Happy birthday mo. Wish you all the best in life. Good health always. God bless and love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Mang. Thank you so much for everything. Sa walang sawang pagmamahal, pag-alaga, at sakripisyo mo para sa aming lahat. Ikaw yung aming inspirasyon at lakas, kaya alagaan mo ng mabuti ang iyong katawan. Ingatan mo. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng ating mahal na Diyos na bigyan ng magandang kalusugan, saya at mahabang buhay pa para makapiling ka namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu!
Happy 70th birthday, Mamu. I wish you endless joy and good health. Do all the things you want in your life and live it to the fullest.
Happy
Love
birthday,
you so
Mamu.
much.
Thank you for everything. Love you.
Mother-in-law, on your 70th birthday, thank you so much for your kindness, strength, and the love you give so freely. Wishing you a truly special day and many
Hello,
more.
Mamu. Happy birthday. 70th birthday. I wish ko na marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyong buhay. At mag-ingat ka lagi sa iyong pagtotoyang. At alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Love you po. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Mamu. Thank you so much for your unconditional love. 10 years ago, when you had your mild stroke, I remember how worried we all were, but thank God for giving you strength and healing. You recovered so beautifully and even had the chance to travel and see many wonderful places after that. Nakapunta ka pa nga dito sa Saudi, sa Hong Kong, at sa Singapore. Truly, God is good all the time. He has carried you with His grace and love all the way to this special milestone. Thank you for every sacrifice, every prayer, and every bit of love you have given us through the years. You are the reason our family is filled with faith, laughter, and togetherness. I'm so proud and grateful to be your anak. Mamu, please remember that you are never alone. We are always here for you. You don't need anyone else to keep you company because you already have all of us who love and care for you deeply. I may not have children of my own, but that only means I have more love, time, and care to give you. Soon, Mamu, I'll be going home and I'll be your side. I will be by your side to take care of you, just as you have always taken care of us. Take good care of yourself and keep focusing on you because you truly deserve rest, peace, and happiness. As you celebrate your 70th year, I pray that God continues to bless you with good health, joy, and love. You deserve all the happiness in the world. Happy, happy, happy 70th birthday, Ma. Love you so much. God bless you always.